This is the Android TV box We2uSat K3 Pro unboxing and review video. In this video, we will be looking at its functions, hardware and software, including options for live TV and video on demand. I will show you how to set and use this Android TV box as an entertainment device. This video is made into these sections so that you can directly find and watch the information from this video. Continue watching to learn about We2uSat K3 Pro Android TV box. This is the K3 Pro Android TV product box from the company We2uSat. The image of the product, and it comes with 4 GB DDR3 memory and 32 GB storage space. There's support for Google Voice Assistant and 6K HDR. At the bottom, there are some specifications and features printed. At the top, more features and specifications are printed. Let's open the box to see its contents. These are everything from the box. The K3 Pro Android TV box, the user manual, remote control, HDMI cable and an AC power adapter. The K3 Pro has a square compact design with the brand name printed at the top. The front has the model name printed, and this panel is the LED display. On the side, this is a micro SD card slot and 2 USB 2.0 ports. At the back, this is the LAN Ethernet port, AV port, optical audio, HDMI out port and DC in power port. At the bottom, the model, serial number and MAC address are printed. There are ventilation holes here, and the 4 rubberized feet provide good grip on a flat surface. There are 2 mounting holes for placing this Android box vertically. This is one of the best remote controls for an Android TV media box. It has all the standard buttons, with dedicated TV controls, a mouse control button, a voice control button and dedicated buttons for streaming services, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video and Disney+. The back of the remote control has programming instructions printed. And it requires 2 AAA batteries which are not included. The user manual is very simple with only basic information. Continue watching and I'll explain this box in detail. Now let's get this device started. Connect the HDMI from the Android box to a display such as TV or monitor. Connect the provided power adapter and turn on power. The Android boot splash screen took 37 seconds the first time. To perform the remote control pairing process, follow the instructions on screen and the connection successful message appears. After remote control pairing, select your preferred system language. Next, select the output display resolution. This is where you can scale the display image to fit your screen, and I'm setting it to 100%. Next, select the time zone to set the date and time. For the network, there are Ethernet and Wi-Fi options. As usual, I'll be connecting via Wi-Fi. After connecting to the internet, the system is now prompting that there is a new system update. You can download now or do it later. Next, a disclaimer notice is displayed on screen. This Android media box does not come pre-installed with apps that provide live TV channels or movies. I won't show you how to install the streaming apps due to the platform guidelines, but I will explore the external apps just to check out what they provide. Next, the settings are now completed and the TV media box can be used. The home interface has weather information at the top corner and the other corner shows Wi-Fi connection, date, and time. There are large icon links for apps, however the Mars apps are just icons as they are not installed. The rest are all the other apps that came pre-installed such as YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, Prime Video and Miracast receiver. Now let's look at K3 Pro hardware specifications. It is manufactured by We2uSat and it comes with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, however it is reporting a lower amount here. Bluetooth 4.0 is supported by this device. The CPU system on chip is a hybrid Allwinner H313, H616. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex-A53 processor running between 480 to 1512 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is an ARM Mali G31. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. The installed Android is version 10, which is also called QuinStart. This device is not rooted, so you can't perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings and system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. The system is reporting that a Vulkan device is not found. Vulkan is an open standard for 3D graphics and computing. Before we look at the App Store and apps for this Android box, let's do an online update to make sure the latest available features and options are installed. The update can take a while with multiple restarts happening, and once in the home screen, updates and installations may continue. Once the update process is over, you'll have the latest software in the box. Let's look at app stores available in this device. There is an app called Market which has a small selection of apps. I'm not really interested in these apps and have not used them so far. Google Play Store is available, and this is where I get all my Android apps. As you can see, there's a wide variety of app selection that you can install and use. There is a large number of entertainment apps that you can install and use, which includes paid subscription services and free streaming apps. The Australian channel apps are free to use, but they work only in Australia. If you are into music, there is also a good selection of apps that you can enjoy with this Android TV box. Now, let's look at the Mars apps. To comply with platform guidelines, I did not show you how to install or activate these apps. As part of testing this Android media box, I will be checking these apps. Mars Live is a live TV channels app. It is loading ABC News Australia, as that was the last channel that I have watched. This channel is a free-to-air Australian channel and is available in this box. Clicking the left arrow key on the remote brings up channel selection under the Australian TV channels category. Clicking the left arrow key again brings up the main channel group list. There are 24 channel groups here which can be scrolled up or down in a cycle. While watching a TV channel, clicking the OK button displays the channel preview with program information and the list of channels on the left, in this case, the free-to-air Australian TV channels. To view the EPG or Electronic Program Guide, press the EPG key on the remote. This interface looks professional and is quite user-friendly. Let's look at the next app, Mars Super TV. Unfortunately, it is not available in my region, Australia, so I am unable to test this for now. Mars VOD is the next app to test. This is the video-on-demand app for movies and TV shows. Currently under the All category, there are 45,129 movies available. There is the favorite where your bookmarked movies are listed. Then, the history which lists your watch history. Below that are all the various movie categories such as action, adventure, animation, comedy, and so on. Each category shows the total number of movies in each group. The movie categories make it much easier to find your favorite movie genre. When you move up to the icon at the top and select it, you can now go to the TV series library. There are more than 17,000 TV series at the moment, and it is continuously updated. The TV series library has the same interface and navigation as the movies library, so it is easy and straightforward to use. Mars Anime is an app dedicated for anime fans. This app has the similar and consistent interface and navigation as the other apps. However, the categories are not displaying the total number of items available in them. This is the Anime VOD interface, and for Anime TV series, go up and select the icon, then select TV series. You get a similarly categorized interface with lots of TV shows. Let's look at streaming services in this box. DRM or Digital Rights Management is a way of protecting contents from piracy. To stream and play HD quality videos from services like Netflix, Disney Plus, or Prime Video, the device needs to have DRM security level L1. This Android TV box is certified for L1, so that is great news if you want to enjoy high-quality streaming services. If you don't have a Netflix, Disney Plus, or Paramount Plus account, you can get them at a discounted rate at this website. Check out the link in the comment or description to enjoy the discounted price. Now let's test playing 4K video files and see the playback performance of this Android TV media box. This is a 4K trailer of a movie and the video playback seems to be good. Fast forwarding works pretty quickly too. The We2uSat K3 Pro plays 4K quality video without any problem. If you like to watch 4K quality movies, this Android media box seems to handle it really well. Let's look at the internet browser in We2uSat K3 Pro. The internet browser is not installed by default, so I'm going to install one from Google Play Store. I've searched, but Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox apps are not available in the Play Store. The only internet browser I could find is this TV browser app, so I'm installing it to test. Browse Here TV browser app works fine during my random website tests, but I don't really like this internet browser. That's because I primarily use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and feel very comfortable using them. Let's test playing a 3D game in this Android TV box. This game is called Riptide GP2 and this is just a demonstration of game performance and graphics in the K3 Pro Android TV box. The graphics are not the best, but I did not experience lag, so this 3D game is quite playable. Although you can play a lot of games in this box, it is not suitable for heavy 3D gaming performance. To summarize, K3 Pro Android TV box is an amazing Android media box for live TV and video on-demand playback. When apps are installed, you'll have thousands of live TV channels, movies and TV series updated frequently for endless entertainment. The user interface is very easy to use and has a responsive interface and navigation. Applications are generally loaded quickly and provide a good experience. It has the DRM security level support to play streaming services like Netflix in HD or 4K. 4K local video files such as movies play without any problem. 3D games are quite smooth and can be played without any issue. But I also have some concerns about this TV box. Mars Super TV was not available in my region, Australia. Browse Here internet browser app is not user-friendly as I expected. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.